Welcome back to our complete Java course. In this second lecture, we will see uh, basics of Java. So, in this basics of Java topic, we will explore the fundamental concept of Java programming. These concepts from building blocks of any Java application. By the end of this module, you will be able to write basic Java programs and understand how the Java language operates at its core. So basically in this lecture we will see the basics in the Java which are very important for coding of the future lectures. So in this lecture we will see variables, data types and operators. So basically variables, data types and operator are very basics and small components of Java programming but they help to build a bigger functionality in the Java. So they are very important and need to understand properly. Input output methods in Java, conditional statements and loops. So we will see all this in detail below. So variables, data types and operators, this is our first topic. So variables are used to store data in a program. So basically variable is type of a container in which we store value. Now data types. Data type is a type of the variable which value we store in that variable. And operators. Operators are a kind of operations performed on variables and values. So like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division are the some operators. Now basically to see how we create variables, data types and operators in Java. So we will see this in code. Like first we need to create new file for this. We have created our second file for Java. So here simply we kill public class. So here we created our so here we have created our public class. Now we will create main method. So here we have created our main method. Now we will see how to create a variable. So to create a variable, first we have to define its data type. So there are several data type like int, float, string, but we will first create here integer data type. So integer is a data type of variable we are creating. Now variable name is a, and in front of it we can write which value we are storing in that variable. Like I am storing 12 in this variable, and we will use semicolon at the end to complete the statement, because int a is equal to 12 it is a statement, so we can complete the statement using this semicolon. So now this value a, this integer a is storing the value 12. Now to print this, we will simply write system.out.println and simply print a, and we will run it to see the output. So here we get the value of a. In this way, we can create variables in Java. So now we will see there are multiple variables types in Java, like integer is there, double is there. So what is double? Double is used to store the decimal values. Like in integer, we can store all integers, including my negative numbers, positive numbers, and zero. In double, we can create all the decimal numbers. In character, we can store the characters from A, Z, any symbol like at the rate, and even numbers also we can store as a character. Then boolean. Boolean has true or false values, and basically, so we will see some boolean code here. Now I will show you how to create boolean variable. Create boolean variable. First we have to define its data type. So its data type is boolean. So this is its data type boolean. Now we will write the name of variable. So in each time a specific or different variable name is needed to be created. Like here we have created a, then for other variable we have to choose a different name. Now its value is true. Simply we will print it. So it b so simply it will return us the value of b. So this is true, but its value is true. But in string, if we want to print string, so we can create a string like this string c equal to, we have to write string in double quotes like sadhu, and we will simply end this using semicolon. So semicolon is important to complete a statement, and now we can print its value. So system.out.println, and then we will give input c. So this ln is not mandatory. This ln uh, help to create new line. So if I remove this ln, then you can see here, so this true and sadhu comes in a single line. So if I add ln here, then we can see this both come in different lines. So this ln has its use. Without ln also we can print, but if we want to add new line, then we use this ln. Now we will see next topic is our input and output in Java's. So we have seen here output, how to generate output, like we use system.out.println to get the output, but to take input we have to use scanner class. So we first need to import this scanner class in our Java program, then we have to create its object, and using its object we can take the input. So we can see this input now. So here first we have to import the scanner class. So import java.util.scanner. Here we have created import scanner class, and we need to add semicolon to complete the statement. Now we have successfully imported scanner class. Now we have to create its object. So scanner obj equal to new obj. So I have created its, so now we have created its object here. Simply we have created the object. Now we have to use this object to take input. So I can take input in this here, like here I am manually giving the value. So I will comment it. So to comment, just you have to control and slash. Then we have to take input in variable a, and we have printed it here. So it is showing error that this variable, so we comment out it, so it becomes normal text, due to which it is showing error. Now, so int a equal int a, so I have defined it here. Then a equal to obj dot next int. So I have simply take here input. So now when I run this, then I will put here input like this, and we see this the output. So I am making it some looking good. View input, and we will display here output. Now we will see to run this again. Give input, so I will give it as 23, and we will see the output is 23, and other is Rohan Sadhu. Now next topic is conditional statements. So in Java we have conditional statements: if, else, and switch. So we will see all these conditional statements in coding in detail. Then we will see loops in Java. So conditional statements and loops are uh, very wide concepts in Java, and they are used multiple times in Java. In DSA also, these are a very important concept to start learning DSA. So we will see these two topics in detail in next video. So please subscribe my channel and stay connected.